Real estate is certainly a tried and tested wealth machine. It is nothing new, and millions and millions and millions of people have done it before, and millions of people do well. And it's interesting how the post-pandemic, how the market is bouncing back and has bounced back in so many areas. That is something we didn't expect. And what are the driving forces that have done this? A number of reasons. There was a pent-up demand, obviously, so supply and demand. Secondly, a lot of properties were repurposed out of new need. The work from home, the school from home movements, and of course rising prices caused people to make and take decisions in their life that they may not have taken before, and the shift from rent to buy or buying to rent. So those issues in themselves created a new market for us. And the fundamentals in property were affected, and the fundamentals of property were certainly impacted by COVID. Yet the fundamentals of property investing still stay the same. Number one, watch where you're buying, top or bottom of a cycle. Cycles are a key component in investing. Supply and demand factors. Of course, this is huge. You're not going to go and invest in an area where there is no supply. You're not going to invest in an area where there is no demand. Risk management is huge. Watch your costs, watch where you're buying, watch your ratios of loan to values, your debt versus income, important to watch. In business, you need to earn more than you spend. And lastly, looking for the price and rental growth factors. What are the factors that are pushing this in any given market? So those are just a few rules that I would consider going forward in this market. Happy investing.